Gandang araw, gagawa tayo ngayon ng chicken wings with 2 homemade sauces.
This is Chef Lora. Welcome to our YouTube channel and welcome to our kitchen. Welcome to Casa Casero's kitchen. For today's video, it is a very important. No, it is a very significant to us. As you can see, I'm wearing our chef uniform. This is our uniform in Chef Ben's kitchen. So mga hindi pa nakakaalam, we have a restaurant before in Comembo, Makati, but due to pandemic, unfortunately, we decided to close it. But we are very happy to share with you one of our recipe. Ito ang aming best seller na chicken wings. Taas ang kamay kasi sino ang nagki-crave na ng wings. So for today, magluluto tayo ng chicken wings with our bestseller sauces. 2 sauces, not only 1, but 2. So, if you're ready, let's start! Let's marinate first our chicken wings. We will marinate our chicken wings with paprika, salt, pepper, and lemon juice or calamansi juice. Just make sure na ating nahalong mabuti ang ating mga spices sa ating wings para ma-incorporate lahat ng lasa nito sa ating meat. You can marinate your wings for 30 minutes to 1 hour, or if you have time, pwedeng overnight. While marinating our wings, let's now make our sauces. Very easy lang to. Let's heat the pan and add our butter and let it melt. Now let's add our chopped garlic. Pwede din kayo magdagdag pag gusto ninyo. Let's cook slowly ang ating garlic para hindi ito masunog. Low heat lang dapat ang apoy ninyo. Now let's add our soy sauce. We will be using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Magdadagdag din tayo dito ng 1 cup of water. At ang magpapasarap ng ating soy garlic honey glaze, ang ating honey. 3 tablespoons of honey yung kailangan natin. Maglalagay din tayo dito ng pepper. At magdadagdag tayo ng 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And let's mix it carefully. And sa part nito, i-adjust na natin yung ating apoy. Niluto na natin to sa medium to high heat. Huwag muna natin kalimutan tikman. At hayaan lang natin kumulo ang ating sauce. Maglalagay din tayo dito ng cornstarch slurry or ang ating mixture ng cornstarch and water to thicken our sauce. We will just continue mixing hanggang sa maluto ang ating sauce at makuha natin ang right consistency nito. And we're done! Let's make our another sauce! Same process lang, maglalagay tayo ng ating butter sa ating mainit na kawali and let it melt. We will add also ang ating natirang garlic. Let's cook it slowly. Dapat low heat lang ang ating apoy. Now, let's add our mustard. Gagamit lang tayo dito ng 2 tablespoons of mustard. At hahaluin lang natin ito. And we will add our water. And we will add our 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And of course, hindi matkukumpleto yan kung wala ang ating honey. And to adjust the taste, maglalagay din tayo ng 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We will just mix it para ma-dissolve ang ating sugar and we will add our pepper. Dali lang, di ba? Now, last part, maglalagay tayo ng ating salt. Then, continue mixing. Sa part na to, mag-a-adjust na tayo ng ating apoy. Medium to high heat na. Huwag mo nang kalimutang tikman ang ating sauce before adding our cornstarch slurry. And voila! Tapos na! Tapos na ang ating sauce. Tayo na ngayon ay magkukoat ng ating chicken wings. You can also use this mixture pag gusto nyong gumawa ng fried chicken, and the way natin minarinate, pwedeng-pwede din yon. Make sure lang na na-mix nyo mabuti ang ating dry ingredients. Ano ba yan? Nawala na ako. Ayan na, i-coat na natin ang ating chicken wings. Igamit tayo dito ng tongs para hindi ma-contaminate ang ating chicken. Cornstarch ang ginagamit namin to fry our wings dahil mas thicken yung consistency nito.
Sure lang na pag may natira kayong cornstarch, sa paggamit ito, huwag nyo na itong gagamitin dahil contaminated na ito. Now look at that! We're ready to fry! Dahil wala tayong fryer ngayon, wala din tayong air fryer. Let's use our mahiwagang pan. Let's make sure na mainit na ang ating oil bago natin ilagay ang ating mga pak chicken. We will cook it until mag-golden brown ang ating chicken. Madali lang tong maluto kaya bantayan yung mabuti. Huwag kayong gagaya sa akin because look at that, may dot ng black. That is not good. Hindi naman yan sunog, nasobrahan lang. Okay, perfect na natin yung other side. Tapos na tayo mag-fried and it smells so good. Gusto ko na siyang kainin. Actually, pwede na natin tong kainin. You can just also put some salt and pepper. You have now your salt and pepper wings. Yes, ganun siya kadali. Just because we all marinate this one and also yung coat natin, yung nilagyan din natin siya ng mga spices. And I also transferred our sauce. This is our garlic honey mustard sauce sa ating sauce container para mas madali nating ma-coat yung ating wings later. And ang ating soy garlic honey sauce. Yan. So, these are our 2 homemade sauces. Sobrang dali lang, diba? Makikita nyo lang din yung mga ingredients sa inyong pantry, sa inyong kitchen. Sobrang dali. Well, makakabili na din kayo ngayon sa market ng mga ready-made sauces. You can also buy yung mga powder mix. Then, mimixan nyo lang siya ng water. Then, there you go. You have your own wing sauce. But in Chef Benny's kitchen, we are very proud that all of our sauces are homemade. So, pinag-aaralan talaga namin mabuti. Kailangan din ng quality check ng ating bossing na si Chef Benny. And before that, bago namin siya i-market is kailangan muna siyang matutunan lahat ng staff before namin siya i-serve sa aming mga customers. So, kailangan muna nilang ma-master para kahit na wala kami sa kusina is kaya nilang gawin yung mga bagay-bagay na na-improve namin together. So, kailangan lahat ng team sa kitchen is alam nila. So, I think ganun din ginagawa sa lahat ng mga restaurant. It's about quality muna before serving it to the people. Now, let's now coat this, our chicken wings in our 2 sauces, and we will plate also. My favorite part ang pagko-coat ng ating freshly cooked chicken wings. Ganito rin kami mag-serve nun sa Chef Benny's kitchen. Siguradong pure na nakukoat yung ating chicken wings na ating homemade sauces. Kung totoo, nakakailang refill kayo sa mga Unli-Wings. Para mas sumarap pa ang ating chicken wings, maglalagay pa tayo ng additional honey. And also parsley. Ayan, Instagrammable na. Now, our next part is our soy garlic honey glaze. Itong soy garlic honey glaze ay isa sa mga first sauces namin na na-perfect namin sa Chef Benny's kitchen. At ang aming bestseller ay ang aming hot and spicy. And to plate our chicken wings, mag-add tayo ng ating sesame seed and also honey. You can also add greens. Ako, naglagay ako ng dill. And ready to pictorial na ang ating mga chicken wings.
Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking to the view, I remember moments.
Order, gutom na ako.
Here's our honey garlic mustard.
Miss this.
Our chicken wings have a taste. Mukbang.
Sarap.
Basta po.
Amiss ko to ah.
Miss mo po ba? Welcome to Casa Caceres. If you want to taste this chicken wings, if you miss this, visit Casa Caceres here at Madali, Cavite. Kumusta? Chef Benny pa rin ba? Chef Benny's taste?
Yes.
By the way, this is Chef Benny, the bossing here. Nag-crave na rin ako and I want to eat. But, konti lang kinain mo sa kabila.
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite?
Ito masarap ka. Pareho.
Pareho.
Yan yung aming 2 bestseller sauces sa Chef Ben's Kitchen. So,
Natakam ka ba?
thank you
Gawa
for
ka na rin ng
watching.
sarili mong version nito. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. You may also follow me on my Instagram account, the Chef Lora Series 7. See you sa ating next video. Bye!